I think I messed up. Did you know it can make or break your construction project? In the fast-paced world of construction, staying ahead means embracing tech. That's where Impress Computers steps in. Think seamless communication, rock-solid security, and tools that keep your team on the same page wherever they are. Imagine accessing blueprints and contracts on the go. With Impress Computers' cloud solutions, your data is safe, organized, and at your fingertips. Worried about network issues? Don't be. Our robust infrastructure ensures your operations run like a well-oiled machine. And compliance? We've got that covered too, keeping you out of legal hot water. Outsource your IT and cut costs while enjoying 24/7 support. Impress Computers scales with your business, providing custom solutions tailored to your needs. Why partner with us? Because we know Houston and we know construction. With proactive IT management, we handle issues before they become problems. Boost your construction game with Impress Computers. Contact us today. Let's build a tech-savvy future together.